This video is independent training created by TripleTron and me, Marcus Miller. It is not official LeadsLeap training, and TripleTron is not owned, operated, or endorsed by LeadsLeap. Some links shared in this training may be affiliate links, which means we may earn a commission if you choose to join or upgrade through them at no extra cost to you. This training is for educational purposes only. Results are not guaranteed. Your results depend on your own effort, consistency, marketing activity, follow-up traffic, and business decisions. Hello again. My name is Marcus Miller. Welcome to day 18 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass 30-day launch sprint. Today we are going to talk about where to send your traffic, because getting traffic is only one part of the process. Where you send that traffic matters. A lot of marketers make the mistake of thinking any link will do. They get excited, grab a referral link, and start posting it everywhere. But if the destination is not right, the traffic may not do much. Your traffic needs a purpose, your visitor needs a clear path, and your link should guide people toward one focused action. That is what we are going to cover today. The first thing to understand is this: not every link is the best traffic destination. You may have a referral link, you may have a capture page, you may have a training page, you may have a login page, you may have a sales page, you may have a YouTube video, but each link serves a different purpose. If you send a brand new prospect straight to a page with too much information, they may feel overwhelmed. If you send someone to a login page before they have an account, they may leave. If you send traffic straight to a business opportunity without capturing the lead, you may lose the chance to follow up. That is why choosing the right destination is so important. In most cases, especially for newer marketers, the best place to send cold traffic is a lead capture page. Why? Because a lead capture page has one job: capture the lead. It does not try to explain everything. It does not try to close the whole business. It simply gives the visitor a reason to enter their name and email so they can receive more information. Once they are on your list, your follow-up system can continue the conversation. That is powerful. Remember, most people do not take action the first time they see something. They may be interested, but not ready. They may want to learn more. They may get distracted. They may leave the page. But if they joined your list first, you can follow up. That is why list building is so important. Traffic to a capture page can become a lead. Traffic to a direct page may disappear if the person leaves. Now, does that mean you should never send people directly to a video, sales page, or training page? No. There are times when those links make sense. For example, if someone already knows you, a training video may be a good destination. If someone is already on your list, sending them to day 18 of the training may make sense. If someone is already a TripleTron member, sending them to a members area page may make sense. But for new cold traffic, the capture page is usually the stronger starting point, because the goal is not just the click. The goal is to create a follow-up opportunity. Now let's talk about traffic temperature. This is important. Cold traffic means people do not know you yet. They may be seeing your message for the first time. For cold traffic, keep the destination simple. A capture page works well because it asks for one small action. Warm traffic means people have seen your content before. They may follow you. They may have watched a video. They may be on your email list. For warm traffic, you can send them to a training page, a presentation, or a stronger next step. Hot traffic means people are already interested and closer to taking action. They may have clicked several emails. They may have watched the training. They may have asked questions. For hot traffic, you can send them to a sign-up page, upgrade page, or clear action page. The point is this: match the destination to the visitor. Do not treat every visitor the same. A brand new person may need education. Someone who already trusts you may be ready for the next step. Now let's talk about message match. Message match means your ad message should match the page people land on. If your ad says, "Learn how to build your list," then your page should talk about list building. If your ad says, "Watch the 30-day launch sprint," then your page should connect to the training. If your ad says, "Create a simple follow-up system," then your page should explain follow-up. This matters because if the visitor clicks expecting one thing and lands on something different, they may leave. Confusion kills momentum. Your ad, your page, and your follow-up should all feel connected. Now let's look at a simple traffic path. Step 1, ad message. Step 2, lead capture page. Step 3, thank you page or next step page. Step 4, follow-up email. Step 5, training or offer. That is a clean path. Your traffic starts with interest. Your capture page turns interest into a lead. Your thank you page gives the next step. Your follow-up emails continue the conversation. Your training or offer helps the person understand what to do next. That is much stronger than just throwing a raw link everywhere. Now, in your TripleTron and LeadsLeap setup, you want to think about this carefully. If you are promoting to new prospects, send them to a page that captures leads. If you are training current members, send them to the lesson or members area. If you are helping someone set up LeadsLeap, send them to the correct LeadsLeap join or setup page. If you are promoting a specific day of the masterclass, make sure the link goes to that training. Every link should have a purpose. Now let's talk about what not to do. Do not send cold traffic straight to a confusing page. Do not send traffic to a broken or untested link. Do not send people to a login page if they do not have an account. Do not send people to a page that does not match your ad. Do not send people to 5 different places at once. Keep the path simple. One message, one destination, one next step. That is the theme we keep building. Simple wins because simple is easier to follow. Now, one of the best habits you can develop is asking this question before promoting. What do I want this visitor to do next? If the answer is join my list, send them to a capture page. If the answer is watch this training, send them to the video. If the answer is create an account, send them to the sign up page. If the answer is log in and complete a task, send them to the members area. The destination should match the action. Now, once you choose the destination, test it again. Click the link, look at the page, submit the form if there is one, check the mobile view, make sure the next step is obvious. If the page does not clearly answer what the visitor should do next, it may need improvement. Today's action step is simple. Choose where you will send your traffic for the next 7 days. Pick one main destination. For most new prospects, that should be your lead capture page. Then check that the page matches your ad message. Make sure the form or button works. Make sure the page looks good on mobile. Make sure the next step is clear. Then use that same destination consistently while you test your traffic routine. That is day 18 of the TripleTron LeadsLeap Masterclass. Today you learned that traffic needs direction. The goal is not just to get clicks. The goal is to send people into the right path so they can become leads, receive follow-up, and understand the next step. In the next lesson, we are going to talk about using LeadsLeap traffic tools so you can start learning how to get your message in front of more people. Subscribe to the channel, complete today's action step, and I will see you in day 19.